How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. Or if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. And I hope everybody out there is having a good one for real. Now, I'm doing some custom work and I'll have a lot more coming. But as far as what's going on right now, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I'm doing a 1934 Ford side hoods on a pickup. All right, it could be sedan, whichever. But yeah, you see over here that I've already got this one almost finished. I need to do the back of it a little bit, clean it up, but I'll be putting it in paint a little bit later on in bare metal, just to give you guys an idea how clean it is. All right, so you see the louvers are, it gives it a clean look. Now over here we have the stock hood. All right, so this is where the emblems would go, and I need to fill some of these holes. So what I'm gonna be doing is making it like this hood over here. I'm gonna be bringing these two louvers up into this area. So you see the X's are marked off. So what I'm gonna be doing is cutting this out and then cutting across here. And then I made some louver pieces that are gonna fill the areas, all right? Get a closer look. Okay, so you get the idea. So as far as these two outer ones, I'm gonna cut out this area where the X's are at, and I'm looking at my phone, so just bear with me. I'm gonna bring these two up, this 1/2 inch right here, these two up into this area, and then weld it. Then once that's done, I'm gonna cut this 1/2 inch area out and bring these two with this area right here into this area, all right? So it'll be basically this to this and this to this. So they'll all be straight across. Then down here, I'm gonna fill with pieces. And I made them extra long and wide and everything. And I do have a shorter one that's gonna fill basically that 1/2 inch up here, down this area. All right, so they'll all be filled in here. And then it'll be coming out looking like that. All right, so I'm gonna get to work and I'll catch you on in a little bit. All right, everyone, we're at the point where from the last little clip, I brought the top piece up. I've actually welded it in from the top side. See if I can give you guys a better view. Or I can bring the hood to you, but top piece is welded in just from the top, not the bottom yet. I've also cut the bottom piece, brought it up so we're even. And I've added some louvers, some pieces I made right here, and then right here. Then I got a piece right here I'm gonna tack in probably in a little bit, right? And then basically from there, all it is just cleaning it up. Zoom you guys back out, all right? So it's basically cleaning it up with some discs. Yeah, good old grinding wheels and stuff. And then we'll put it in one coat of paint, basically one thin coat of paint. Just throw something on it to see what it looks like in bare metal. And it'll be ready for surface primer. And some other stuff needs to be worked out, but yeah, it'll be ready for surface in a little bit and ready to be put on the vehicle. All right, I'm gonna actually start tacking these pieces in. All right, I got this side done, so we're tacked in all the way across every piece that I brought up. So we're welded front and back, also on the louvers that I made and put in. And I got this side over here. I shot it in just a thin coat of rattle can primer, you know. Yeah, no, but yeah. Just to get an idea, because it'll be lightly sandblasted again, and then shot in surface primer, or builder primer, and then blocked out and painted, all right? So this one, see the back's welded in, and just to get an idea, we're gonna take some nice little rattle can primer here, just to get an idea where we're at. This one's kind of rough, it's more bent than the other side, but yeah, so the finishing, a little finish touch here, just get an idea. This will be knocked back off. It'll be knocked back down and put into surface primer. So it's not looking too bad, pretty straight. I'm not gonna really shoot the back right now, I'll do that a little bit later, but as far as this job, done. This job's done, and on to the next one. Thanks for all you guys out there watching, and if you're new and do your thing, subscribe, like, comment. Got more coming. All right, peace.